Hey people, what's going on? If you saw my first vlog in the power outage, it is the next week, and it is raining outside. It is coming down. I see a couple crosses that me and my dad did for Halloween, but I'm trying to get this down. Oh crap, I think it got stuck. Hang on. Mine's screwed, who cares? Yeah, it's really coming down. Hang on. So let's see. Really coming down. There, hang on. Yeah, you can even hear it coming down. Look at all that. Yeesh. I'm just gonna close this. It's a rain day, man. Parents are gone, pretty much. My brother's here, so if something happens, at least I know that I got someone here. But yeah. And it's a rainy day outside, it's gloomy. Man. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog while I fix this stupid shade. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully later today, for an episode of Weekly Custom. So, see you then.